Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In this video, we wanted to showcase our new 4Runner Overland drawer system that we designed for our 2021 5th Gen Venture Edition. Now, I've had many vehicles in the past, but none quite like this one. Now, this one is special. Maximizing small spaces for big adventure. This drawer system is created from 3 sheets of 3/4 inch birch pre-finished plywood. It's about $93 a sheet. It was an excellent choice. The end product was extremely high quality. Here it is, the Stacko 1.0. Some may be wondering how they can get their hands on a Stacko Overland drawer system, or how I like to say, Overland drawer solution. Well, lucky enough for you, I would absolutely love to make you one. Follow us on Instagram, shoot us a DM, feel free to email me. I'm here to inspire you and get you out on the road less traveled.